Welcome back everybody to Advantage Tennis. In today's video we are playing Sam, aka Mr. Consistent. Now this is not to get confused with another Sam that I've posted on this channel before. This is the first time that I've met this Sam, and it did not disappoint. Being an 8 UTR, I knew it was going to be a tough match from the get, but this match had a lot of ups and downs. As you can see, I mean the whole video is 26 minutes, and by far this is my longest match that I've ever been in. So I hope you guys, get your popcorn, get some coffee. I don't know what you're drinking, maybe some Coke. Yeah, settle in for this one for sure. But so this match is for my player ran league, so it doesn't affect my UTR. But this was my last match for the round robin portion of the player ran league. So essentially, just to give you a breakdown of how this was all working, it started with 32 players, and we all did a round robin, playing 8 matches each. From there, we took the top 16 players of that round robin and placed them into a bracket style tournament. So I'll be posting my video or videos of that tournament in the next coming days, so definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel with the bell notifications clicked on, so that you're always notified of when I upload and whatnot. That's kind of the breakdown. I'll let you know where I seeded and everything towards the end of this video, and I'll definitely be interrupting throughout this match. You're not getting rid of me quite yet, but I hope you do enjoy the video. If you do, and if you have, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I guess I'll talk to you in a second. Enjoy.
Nice. Why? Vamos. my God. Good shot. Oh, right in the corner. No. Oh, nice. Oh my God. Oh, nice.
Well, like I told you before, this match has a ton of back and forth. So as you can see in that first set, I had a break for a lot of it, but Sam kept on fighting me for it and stealing it back from me. And I was able to just squeeze it out at the very end of that first set. So, you know, good stuff on my part, but this league definitely caters to more of Sam's style, that grinder style, because we do play out the third set if it goes to that. So no 10-point tiebreaker to decide the match. You're playing it out, and I was already pretty exhausted going into this match. I played Natai 30 minutes prior to playing Sam, so I was definitely really warmed up for the first set against Sam, and I started to slip a little bit in the second set. My forehand just wasn't landing as deep as I would have liked it to. Kind of throughout the match, I would say that was like a theme. My forehand just not landing as deep as I would like. It was landing like service box area, and really you want it more towards that baseline as much as possible. So nonetheless, we're gonna battle it out, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this this second set. See what happens.
Yeah, good shot. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Oh, nice shot. Oh, I thought you were gonna get it. Come on, Sam, give me a break.
So on this change over here, I knew I probably needed to just give up this set and get ready for the next one, give myself a little bit of a break. Because I had quite an uphill battle if I was going to get back into this second set. So that's kind of what I did. I mean, I was still playing. I wasn't just gonna, give them the games, but I wasn't, going after every single ball and kind of just giving about like maybe 70% effort, I would say. Just trying to save my legs as much as possible to get ready for that third set and give it all I got in that third set. So here we go. I have to mention, during this first game in the third set, I did lose track of the score. I lost track of the score at a very important point too. It was supposed to be deuce, and I thought it was add in. So we played as it was add in, and we tried figuring it out afterwards using Sam's GoPro, but we weren't able to get the footage in time. So yeah, it was very unfortunate. Every single point really does matter, especially when it's this close of a match. So my apologies to Sam, but moving on.
Wide. Wide. Nice shot. Out. That was out. Oh, nice shot. Yeah, good shot. You okay? Yeah.
As you can see at this point, I start cramping up pretty good. It was my right quad, just not liking the overheads and all the running around and whatnot. I kind of felt it coming on, you know, a couple points beforehand, but that overhead just really did it in for me. And yeah, Sam gave me plenty of time to kind of just stretch it out for a bit and then jump right back into the match. I definitely considered, you know, forfeiting for a second there. It was feeling pretty tight, but we were able to play through it, which is nice, and Sam was cool with me, you know, just stretching in between points for a couple seconds here and there and at changeovers and whatnot. So we were able to play on, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of the match.
Nice shot. Yeah, good shot.
as you can see, we're getting towards the end of this match. I would put an asterisk next to this match though. Not quite how I would have liked things to play out, with the cramping being just one big distraction and me stealing one of those points in the first game of the third set. Really wasn't a huge fan of all that, so me and Sam have rematched, and I will be posting that video just next week, so definitely stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already. As far as the league goes, I went 7-1 for the round robin matches, and that placed me in the 7th seed for the tournament. So those matches will be posted in the next couple days and weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that as well. As always, if you're trying to support my channel, definitely hit that like button. It helps me out a bunch. And comment down below what you thought of the match and the distractions and everything. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.